In this playlist of videos, I'm going to walk you through the steps of taking a large data set, reading it into R, and making a plot. In the specific example that we're going to look at, we will take instron data from mechanical testing in the Physics 107L lab, and we'll look at how to turn the raw data file into a plot that would be suitable for publication, or in this case, suitable for your lab report. The first step to being able to plot in R is making sure that's correctly installed on your computer. So we need two different types of software in order to run R through RStudio. We need the R programming language, which you can obtain for free from the CRAN Comprehensive R Archive Network. If you go to cran.rproject.org, you can download R for Linux, Mac OS X, or Windows. We also need the graphical interface, RStudio. But RStudio won't run unless we have already installed the R programming language. So make sure that both of those are installed on your computer. What we need for RStudio for our class is just the open source free version of RStudio. So RStudio Desktop should be fine for you to use, and you can download that for free onto your computer. Just make sure that you select the correct RStudio for your computer. So you can download it for Windows, and it should, within your browser, run a short JavaScript to recognize which operating system you have. But if it guesses wrong, all of the different files are available in this list below.